Can you leave an ESPN Fantasy League after draft? So, to be very straightforward, you cannot leave a league after the draft using the ESPN app or site directly. Once the draft is complete, you are logged in. On the ESPN official help page, you can see the steps. Here are options given to remove your team from a league or to delete your league. However, again, you cannot leave a league after the draft using ESPN app or site. But if you want to remove your team from a league, you can click the Leave League link on your team page before the league's draft. Team managers can't leave a league after the draft occurs. On a league manager league, the league manager has to delete you from the league. There is no option for team members to leave the league. And if you want to delete your league, you can follow these steps. Firstly, click on the League Manager tools on the web. It will look something like this. You can simply follow these steps to delete your league. Confirm the deletion and it will be deleted. So that is all for today. Thank you.